I have good news for all the Android users out there. If you're like me and you use your Android device to shoot content, then stick around, you're gonna wanna see this. I made a video about using Droid Cam for OBS. At first I thought it was the best quality. You could shoot at 1080p with your Android directly into OBS, record, do audio, all those nice things. But then I recently found this app called Camo, along with Camo Studios. So it allows you to not only switch between cameras, it allows you to switch between resolution, can enable autofocus, blurred, portrait mode, things like that. Is amazing. It's much better than Droid Cam for OBS. You can even record directly in Camo Studios with audio, so you don't need to record in OBS. And the quality, we'll take a look at it together. The quality is superb. 4K compared to 1080p, you know, there's no comparison. So let's dive right in. So jumping right in, you'll see this is OBS, and I'm gonna activate my Android device. And you can see the video quality here. It's shooting at 1080p, nothing too crazy. I'm gonna also do a short video recording and you guys can see the finished product. And I'm opening the recording. We'll take a quick look. Doesn't look too bad. You can use it for YouTube. However, when we hop over to Cam Studios, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's fire up Camo Studios, and I'm gonna enable my device, and we're gonna take a look at the video quality, and I might even do a side-by-side so you can see the quality difference. But for me, it's night and day. I think having all of my camera's features or settings at my fingertips instead of having to do it directly in the app. Check. I can do it directly from Camo Studios, which I think is fantastic. If you're shooting horizontal, if you're shooting vertical, you can toggle those. Right now, I'm shooting with my Android S23 Galaxy phone, 4K, 30 frames per second. You guys let me know what you think. I do have a light source, which helps improve the quality, but I think it looks good, you know? And really quickly, guys, I just wanted to jump in and show you what I meant by switching between cameras. So you have access to all of your lenses from this drop-down panel. You can enable autofocus, you can enable front camera, rear camera, telephoto, ultra wide. With OBS, you need to actually do that on the phone app, and it's a pain in the butt, which is why I kind of stopped recording with my Android device, because it was such a pain to manually make those changes directly on the app. But now that I've discovered Camo Studios, I don't need to do that anymore. I can just do it from this drop down. So it's night and day, like I said. So hopefully this video has taught you something new, introduced you to a better way of recording. And guys, if you like this video, please, I appreciate you giving me a like and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.